Children of God, today I would like to talk about my good friend and confer since seminary days, Father Flavio Villanueva SVD. He was few years ahead of me in the seminary formation, but I know him as a very dedicated person in his advocacies. He walks his talk. In 2015, he founded the Arnold Janssen Kalinga Center with a vision of recreating and empowering the lives of the homeless. It reaches out to those who need a place to eat, bathe, sleep, and even learn. For the homeless, Kalinga offers showers and buffet-style meals, services usually reserved for the middle class. Father Flavi's remarkable impact and innovative methods eventually led him to receive the Ramon Magsaysay Award, one of Asia's highest honors for public service. As he puts it in his simplest words, love has a face, it is a verb, and that word is to care.